airport. Yeah. Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye. We're off to Dunedin. Rachel. Recording her short vids. Let's go.
The Mac has been waiting for half an hour for.
Time to board. Wow, look at it, it stands out a lot. And look, there's cows in the background. Alright, hello.
Let's load up and let's go.
Oh, I don't know if this will fit. The back is a little bit small. Woo, let's go!
Make our first driver.
Yeah. We fit our luggage. Oh, look at us. This is a true New Zealand view. Yeah. Time to get some supper.
Should we just get some sandwiches here?
For lunch.
Yeah, for now. Yeah, definitely.
Nugget Point Lighthouse. Let's go. Ocean. Ha! Ow. Just some Asians in their natural habitat. Getting some Insta shots. The lighthouse and the sun is out. Where are we off to? Pura Kaunui Fall. Yeah, that was a nice lighthouse, wasn't it? Which way? Oh, this way. 10 minutes. Let's go. Is this a lookout?
There's something.
Oh. Alright, let's keep going. Yeah. Very nice. Found a good photo spot. Where's the ball? Look at the mask on the tiki. Lost Gypsy Gallery. No. Control your kids, parents. This is so cool. I love this. Little bus. No unsupervised kids.
Oh, kaleidoscope.
Where did the little train go?
It goes around.
Press hand contact together. Ooh. What? This one?
Oh, guys, let's.
This is the little LEDs are turning on. What does that do?
Oh my
How's it
god,
there?
that baby. Right up.
Oh my god.
That's I don't know how I feel about that.
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's Taiwanese money! 100块拿走。Evil?
Bowl spanking.
Spanking.
That was pretty cool.
Oh, spank the bulb. Spank the bulb.
Run, Forrest, run. I am
Is he running?
Yeah. Learning touch line. Cool. Look like you do in chemistry physics class. The poles of the magnets.
What is this one?
Oh yes.
Ah, look at this. Ooh, this one looks really cool. That's so cool. Oh,
What's that?
don't know. Mechano wanted. What does that mean?
I don't know.
There's also just this ball rolling in the light.
Oh, what is this?
Ooh, what about this one? This one's big. Ooh.
Cool.
Oh, it's grabbing it. Ah, it's funny.
$1 though.
There's a lot of other money. What's be good to be? This reminds me of the woodwork class we had in high school. Rachel.
I saw my penguin.
My panda is dead.
Oh, I got stuck there.
Oh, anti-clockwise. Didn't even read it. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
Follow this.
Oh no, it must be fake.
Oh, he triggers a lot of stuff.
Ooh, Isle of Man.
Here it comes.
Oh,
What does it do to the lights?
Does it trigger anything else?
That's so cool. Experiments. That's cool. He ate him. Windows on. Oh, look at all those computer circuit boards. I mean, not motherboards. Ooh, this is outside the Lost Gypsy. Thank you, Mick. It's a very clunky whale.
Very nice.
Very nice. Hello, old ladies. Here's me.
Oh my god, what if it? Yeah, I was like, it better not.
I think. Ooh. Look at this. Wait, turn this one. What does this one do?
Oh my god, skeleton!
The skeleton is making a really weird noise.
I love this. Rewarding experience.
Since 1999.
Solar, wind, water, and hand-powered production. Cycles naturally, now with coffee.
That's awesome.
And something.
This is really cool. Lost Gypsy, come visit if you're ever in the south of the South Island.
Highly recommend.
We are at the Florence Hill Lookout. Woo! This is so nice. Yay! 40-minute walk. Let's go! Wow, this is a mini waterfall.
I am Gollum.
This is your house now, Gollum. Wow! This is so cool. Look at these people doing dangerous activities. This is, what is this? Curio Bay.
Still curious?
Still curious. Very nice.
Very nice. I love it.
A lush forest through here. So penguins come here from 5 p.m. onwards and like feed their kids. Yeah, I know, but I don't think we're gonna be that lucky. Oh, but it looks so cool. And also, how do they get up to the nest? Right? Like, it doesn't feel possible, like from the stairs. Penguins! 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 Come out! Yeah, you gotta act like one of them. Yeah, Rachel's acting like one of them. Ew, this is so cool. This place looks real cool. It's really cold. And then Simone's taking
Rock looks really cool.
yeah. The waves are really nice here. I can see why that lady was sitting here. Woo! Nice. A little yellow car, and we're walking towards the southernmost point of New Zealand, South Island.
Minus
Stewart Island, which is probably there.
Oh, look at those sun rays.
Sun rays.
God is there.
Oh my god. It's okay. It looked away. It looked away.
Okay, thank you, Cal. Appreciate
It looked away. No.
Peace out.
Peace out. Peace out, homie. Homie. They're probably like, whoa, we haven't seen humans in a while.
What are these strange things doing our way again?
Hi, cow. It's okay. We can jump over this fence on our left. Very cold. We're walking towards the southern point of New Zealand.
No one comes to visit. No one's here.
It's just us.
If anyone asks you what New Zealand looks like, this is it.
This is New Zealand. We are at the southernmost point of South Island. Equator that way. South Pole that way. 到此一游. Yay! We're here! And it's a lighthouse. It looks really new. And sun rays. Very nice. Literally haven't seen a living soul other than cows. Sunset on Oreti Beach. This is a car access beach. Our little bumblebee. And it's cold. I'm gonna set up the time lapse and I'm getting back in the car.
We're here to see seals, but the only seals I could find is